My name is Adrian. I'm a crane operator. I run Sterling Cranes, $3 million, 5240. And if you think this is big, just hang on. Now that's big. This is the most important part of the crane. This is the boom. Without the boom, there is no crane. This boom is the size of a 20-story building. There's a lot of math and science involved in crane operating. The crane is actually a giant lever, which in conjunction with pulleys increases the mechanical advantage to allow the crane to lift heavy loads. These are the outriggers. They help stabilize the crane and keep it from tipping over. Tires. 10 tires, $25,000 each. That's $250,000. Tires and rims. To become a journeyman crane operator requires a 3-year apprenticeship program following high school. This is the upper cab. This is where all the crane functions are performed from. This crane's maximum capacity is 240 tons, or approximately 150 elephants. Can you imagine that? This crane is controlled with 2 joysticks, one on each side of the seat. Sometimes it feels like being in a giant video game. I've been a crane operator now for 20 years. I get to work outside, make lots of money, and I get to work with the newest and biggest toys in the industry.